BARC Atomic Research Center Recruitment 2022. Salary is pretty good, 44,900. This is the official notification wherein the advertisement number is 05/2022. There is a notification consisting of nurse, scientific assistant, sub-officer, scientific assistant, different departments. For the post of nurse, the qualification required is BSc nurse, and for the post of scientific assistant, the qualification required is BSc with 60% of marks in the different respective streams like pathology, nuclear medicine technology, scientific assistant as well. If you want more details, please do look into the details of the video.